Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adlan Kachak, and Kachak is my surname. Okay, so as for this time of this video, first thing first, as a disclaimer, I would not do any kind of content about dinosaurs. Okay, so gambar dinosaur yang korang nampak sekarang ni, ini cuma sekadar background image sajalah. Okay, tapi untuk kali ni, okay, as for this time, what kind of topic I'm about to do is... yes, this is the main topic, the Oracle card under the category of definition card. Okay, so maybe most of you, maybe like up to 95% of all of you haven't heard about this kind of thing under the category of tarot deck kind of thing too, if I'm mistaken. But the main point, it is one of the subdivision of divination card. A divination, yeah, something like that. So long story short, what makes me started to have interest on this kind of thing is... sekejap ya, macam ni nak buka. Sekejap. Cuma risau saya akan rosakkannya. It's a bit tricky for me to open it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, so basically, long story short, the thing that makes me started to have interest in this kind of definition card thingy is back to this one particular series under MCU, Agatha All Along. Okay, if you all haven't heard or doesn't know about that particular series, you all can search lah in YouTube, Wikipedia, Google whatsoever. It's a series, a TV show series about a bunch of witches, about this one particular life journey. Tapi untuk mengelakkan kekeliruan, satu set kad yang saya ada ni bukan tarot tau, dia adalah oracle. Okay, oracle dengan tarot dia dalam kategori yang sama, dalam kategori divination, tapi dia subdivision yang berbeza. Sekejap. Okay, so kalau tengok kat depan ni, dia kata ada 40 card, 40 card and a guidebook. I'm not sure. There's no book at the moment. Okay, so this is the card. Oh wow. Look at the design. Current, Reverie. Oh, okay. Numeric number, if I'm mistaken. Number 10. Number 10, current. Okay. And then number 31, Reverie. Alright. And then number 32, Roots. Again, 33, Shadow, something like that lah. And then number 34, Shelter. Okay, it's a some kind like a watercolor thing, if I was mistaken. And then 35, Slumber. 36, The Tree Remembers. Sekejap saya buka spek saya. There's a particular big differences between tarot and oracle, but the main objective is still the same, to be used for divination. Okay, 37. Is it? Yes, 37. Fawn. It's like mythical kind of thingy. And then 38. Trough. Is it gagak? Yeah, burung gagak. 39 vision the eye. Is it a horse or something? Look like a horse kan, rambutnya benda tengkorak ni. Okay, next. XL. What is XL supposed to be? 40? No, 50? I'm not sure. With 21. Idleness. So, kalau tarot, dia siap pangkal lah, dia 78 card. Di mana ada major suit dan minor suit. Minor suit tu ada 23 labyrinth. Oh, ni macam nampak seakan macam simbol Hekate. Ada sikit lah. Okay, kalau tarot, dia lebih spesifik tau. Okay, untuk beritahu apa benda itu, ini. Tapi kalau Oracle, dia tak berapa nak spesifik. Setahu saya lah, dia lebih berasaskan macam kata-kata kunci, the main keyword. Selebihnya bergantung pada diri kamu untuk mengikut apa kalau bahasa Melayu kata hati lah orang kata. 25 Mirage. Dalam bahasa Inggeris intuition, that's the word. 26 nests. You can see the mother or the father taking care of the child, the offspring. 27 opportunity. Tapi berdasarkan apa yang saya telah belajar, ramai saja orang menggunakan Oracle dan Tarot sekali jalan dalam sekali sesi punya reading. Tapi oleh kerana ini adalah dua subdivision yang di mana cara untuk membacanya berbeza, jadi dia akan sedikit ambil masa lah. 30 reflection up and down. It's not just the reflection contrary up and down, but also the contrary in color. Probably this one can be, the basic meaning is contrary of genders, times, or moods. I don't know. And then 11, decay. 22, desolate. Alright, nice. This is 13, echo. I basically just want to tell just a little bit story. I have spent some time to learn about tarot. I'm not a pro. I do not consider myself as an expert in tarot, but I just consider myself a bit knowledgeable about tarot. So now I'm about to spend some time to learn and to have some skills, basic skills in Oracle. 16, flat. Is it as in to let go, you think? Yeah, but other than Tarot and Oracle, I also wish to learn something about tea leaf reading. Alright. Tea leaf reading is something I personally low-key have interest in too. Fog. 19, gentleness. Ooh. Looking good. It's kind of a long story how I started to have interest in this divination thingy. As Andrew Tate says, breathe air. But probably I would do another video to explain how I started to have interest in divination card reading thingy. I'm not sure when, but surely somewhere in the future, maybe another a month or two. Ardor. 4, beehive. Belakang je. Tu lah bahagian belakang tu watercolor lah. Style watercolor. Yep. watercolor concept. Focus. Okay, 5 bloom, 6 crescent. Apa ni? Tak pakai baju, malu. First roots. Want to know what does this word reminds me of? Hecate, the goddess of death. Dalam kepercayaan Greek apa? Dia macam malaikat maut lah. Macam malaikat maut, something like that. Hecate is to bring someone's soul from this realm to another realm. Something like that lah. You all can search lah. Hecate, goddess of death. Okay, 8 cocoon stage. Cocoon. Just what I say. It's all about the main keyword. The topic. Every keyword have its own subsection itself. So let's say, for example, this one, cosmic child. So it's depend on what situation, how we can elaborate what situation, also based on our intuition, how we can elaborate the combination of cosmic child and that one particular situation. Yeah, so that's all. Just a short introductory to my whole new card set, Oracle cards. Yeah, I know based on Islam, by default in Islam, this one can be considered as haram. But I personally, I do not put my faith on it. It's just, another simple hobby. That's all. Alright, so thank you for spending some of your time watching this video, and feel free to search if you have interest lah. Search about oracle cards and the tarot deck, and yeah, you will gain some knowledge lah. Right? Thank you and bye bye.